Whoa! Sorry, buddy. I'm not trying to bruise your new truck. All right, as you can see here, Tuck there got a new toy today, the Rustler, and we're out bashing, breaking her in, right, Tuck? Yeah. All right, let's do it. Whoa! There you go. What the heck was that? Let's flip her over. We're out bashing here today with the Maxx and the Rustler. Go ahead, buddy. Go for it. Woohoo! Good job, buddy. Oh, almost had it. There you go. You lining up for the jump, buddy? Whoa! Sorry, buddy. I'm not trying to bruise your new truck. Go ahead, buddy. You're good. Nah, don't. I got it, buddy. Don't scratch your truck up yet. There you go. Good job, buddy. Man, I can't hit a ramp today to save my life. Getting pretty good at flipping over. Just can't hit the ramps today. Oh, tree. Good jump, buddy. Tuck's my bashing buddy. Lately he's been really into it, which is really awesome. Makes me into it even more than I already am. And it's fun just spending that time with my son. Here I go, buddy. Ready? It's right over here, buddy, on the ground. See it? I don't want to bruise his truck, as Tuck would say. Don't bruise my truck, Dad. Sure, buddy. Didn't make it that time? Oop. 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 Now I just flipped over. There you go, bud. Footage. Here, let's air this baby out. Whoa, you landed it. Good job, buddy. Oh. Sorry, buddy. That thing's so low to the ground. Good job, bud. Here I come. Wow, that was an interesting landing and jump. I've been running the stock tires on the Maxx here for a little bit now, but I think I'm going to go back to the regular. Yeah, buddy. You're what, buddy? What's that? No, that's okay. It's perfect right where it's at. All right, in a minute, buddy. Just give me a minute. And we'll switch it up. Can you just watch out, though, so I don't hit you? Go for it. Yeah, good job, bud. Like I said, we're just out here bashing, trying out the truck, the Rustler, breaking her in. Tuck's getting used to it. Got him that one because I think eventually, once he gets a little bit better, we'll kick it up to a 3S, right, buddy?
Yeah,
3S. More power, right? Whoa! We just took a nasty noser. Wow, that was nasty. Haven't driven this thing in a while. Just not used to it. Been driving the Maxx, Been driving the X Maxx a lot. And definitely different handling characteristics, that's for sure. Whoa!
Wait, Dad, can you like stand right there and open your legs?
No, let's not do that. That's how people get hurt, buddy.
No, don't, no.
All right, in a little bit, buddy. Whoa! Ooh! I just drove into the pole, ripped my body off. We're having a rough time here.
I'm not.
I know, you're rocking it, dude.
Oh my God! Dad, you scared me.
Sorry, buddy.
Watch out.
Whoa! That was some crazy twists that were just going on there. Whoa! Tuck, good job. Whoa, another good one. Whoa, Daddy totally missed the ramp. I'm watching you. I think I'm definitely gonna go with the 3.3 Revo tires here. Just seems to handle a little bit better. Good landing, bud, man. You're just hitting them one after another, man. I gotta take lessons from you.